Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. So, they are looking for our elves. So, hide and seek it is. Look, look, look.
Looking where you are, you can't escape, baby.
Sissy, you can't.
What? Is this song about
Hey, remember, if you find it, don't touch it. You just have to find it.
Is it in here?
I don't know. Silly girl. Find it. I'll give you guys 10 minutes because we have to eat and get ready. I know there's...
Bathroom, that's obvious.
That's a mess.
Just check there.
Oh, found Snowflake.
Kuya found Snowflake. Where?
Right there.
Oh, there's Snowflake.
We need to find
Now let's find Buddy.
Buddy. You can't hide from us. What?
Buddy, you can't
Let's
hide.
play hide and seek.
Yep. Caleb, they found Snowflake. Sissy was asking Kikit. Sissy said, Kikit, where is the elves?
Let's play.
Find it, Troy?
No.
No? Sissy, did you find it?
No.
It's gonna be difficult trying to find Buddy.
Mommy, the elves used this yesterday.
They did?
Yes.
This is my stuff. So they went through my stuff yesterday?
Yes.
Oh
Use
my
your gift
goodness.
trim.
Yeah, and there's another one that you can use.
What's that? Oh, they messed with my stuff, didn't they?
Yeah, and
No, that one they didn't use. They just used the gift trim.
I know, but they touched it.
and there was another.
Ay, arte.
Because that would be obvious.
You want to turn the light on? The tree? Missy? And I see Buddy now. I see Buddy.
Oh my God!
Oh my! I passed him 50
Sissy!
million times.
Sissy, when I told you to turn the tree on, you did not see it. You were like looking at it, but you didn't see it.
I was like,
As soon as I saw it right here. Like you can see it right there. Right there. And then that's why I asked Sissy to turn the light on.
That's it! That's it! I was yelling.
I was
it.
walking
So
by
loud.
looking at I was walking by looking everywhere. And
You didn't see it, huh?
no, I saw
Oh.
I saw his face,
Hide and
but then I walked
Alright.
back.
right there and Snowflake
But then I
was right
walked
there.
Yeah. All right. Let's go. Let's go eat. Come on. Come on. Let's go.
And by what time?
Ayan, dito na kami sa school. Hi, Troy.
Hi.
And Sissy was holding Daddy's hand. We're not in here yet. Why are you kissing?
Mom, there's mud.
I know, there's mud. You're so handsome, boy. Huh, handsome boy? Hey, don't forget to put these in your backpack when you take it off, okay?
Okay. What about this?
Did you do your homework? Did you have a homework?
I was supposed to read.
And? Oh, we didn't do that?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. Okay. Oh, look at that. I'm cute. Alright, Daddy is doing some shopping. Daddy's buying his own gift. Well, give me money so I can buy you gift.
I'll give you money.
So, tingnan nyo guys, ang laki na to. Didn't you have that already? Oh no, that was a black. Ayan, dito kami sa Lowe's. Oh wait, there's a Grinch in there. Oh, let me press the button. May mga ano kasi dito, ang lalaki ng mga Christmas decoration, guys. Ito naman si Grinch naman. Pakita natin. Oh. Ayan din siya. Gumagalaw din pala. Good morning, guys. So, hindi ko na na-end ng vlog yesterday kasi meron kaming small little tiny visitor and inaalagaan ko siya ngayon para makatulog yung nanay ng maayos. Ako naman yung hindi nakatulog dahil pinuyat niya ako. Pero hindi ko na siya papakita yung face niya. But ito siya. Ayan siya. Ayan. But ito siya isang ating Elf on the Shelf. My Little Soda Pop. Sino addicted sa mga anak niyo ng soda pop? Now, you're my soda pop, my little soda pop. Oh, diba? Ayan, simple lang yung ginawa ko kasi nag-aalaga ako ng bata. So, magugulat yung mga yan pag-gising nila. Oh, diba? So, gisingin na natin sila kasi 6 o'clock na. So, wala pa tayong maayos sa tulog, but that's okay. So, let's go wake them up. What's that? What are they doing?
Drinking Pepsi.
Pepsi? And what does the Pepsi do? There's baby Zico sleeping.
Oh, she's so cute.
He.
I don't remember.
Yeah. Don't say it because see, they're coming out.
Oops.
Yeah. I don't know. They opened my Pepsi.
Mom, can you sit right here for a little bit?
Yeah, you can sit there for a little bit.
Or try to look. Or else
Look what they did to my Pepsi. Read it to Sissy.
You're my soda pop, my little soda pop. Call me down your sofa. Pull me up, I won't stop.
Yeah. Sis, you're my soda pop, my little soda pop, love, buddy, and snowflake.
You can't even do that. You don't even know the song of K-pop Demon Hunters.
Well, probably they figured out that you like that you guys like K-pop Demon Hunter. Uy. What do you think about baby? Huh?
I thought he would still be in his crib.
No. He kept mommy all night. Where's Troy? Troy, look.
Mom, so you were awake all night?
Yeah.
What?
Well, not really all night, but
What does it say?
read it.
You're my soda pop. You're my soda pop?
Mm-hmm.
So let me read it to you.
You're my soda pop, my little
Sis, wait. Let's see. Okay. Read it. Your.
My soda.
Troy, don't say it because
Let's see.
no, it says you're my soda pop, my little soda pop, love, buddy, and snowflakes.
I don't know how to read it.
See, and then you took it from Troy. Troy, come here, read it. Come on. Ayan na. The baby's super cute. Come on, Troy, read it. Let me see your outfit. Let me see. Turn around. Oh, so cute. Mwah. And you, Troy. Let me see yours. Oh, it's covered. Did you put your pants right, Sissy? Huh? So, nahatid na natin sila, guys. So, uwi na tayo kasi ang nagbabantay kay baby is ang kanyang great lola. Siyang nagbabantay ngayon dun sa batang yun. So, sobrang lamig. Oh my gosh. We have 21 degree. Tignan nyo. Ayan oh, look at that. 21 degree. Ang lamig! So, yeah. So, uwi na tayo para kasi aalis din si mother-in-law. So, binantayan na lang talaga niya si baby para maihatid ko sila sa school. And then same thing tomorrow kasi bukas pa siya susunduin ng mommy niya. So, Friday pa siya susunduin. So, yeah. So, 2 nights tayong walang tulog ng masyado. So, yeah. Yay! So, yeah. Let's go home! Guys, tignan nyo yung mga mga dahon, mga puno. Napuno sila ng ng icicle. Parang icicle. Parang icicle ang tawag dyan. Ayan na. Tignan nyo. Ayan na. Ang lamig. Oh my gosh, sobrang lamig. Grabe. Pati yung mga grass. Ayan, tignan nyo. Hi guys. Wala na akong matinong vlog ngayon. Ay, nagbabantay ako ng baby. Ayun. Ito, hanggang dito na napapakita ko. Hindi ko papakita yung mukha niya. Kasi hindi ko siya baby. Ayan, hindi ko siya baby. Kaya, ayan. So, nag-aalaga ako ngayon. Yes, lola na po ako. Ito ay ang anak ng aking asawa, stepdaughter ko. She is 27. Yeah, 27 na siya. So, yeah. So, meron na siyang baby. So, ngayon, yung reason kung bakit nasa akin siya ngayon is kasi CS kasi din yung nanay neto. And nagkaroon ng problema sa kanyang sa pagpapagaling ng kanyang sugat. So, ang pagkasabi sa amin is merong parang may leak, yung parang may tumutulo na liquid sa kanya. And ang sabi niya is bumuka daw ng konti yung sugat niya. So, and simula nung lumabas tong batang to, wala pa siyang pahinga talaga. So, nung pinuntahan namin siya nung kahapon, binisita lang talaga namin siya. And nagulat na lang ako yung sinabi niya na, nag-offer naman ako. Sabi ko na, kung gusto mong kunin ko siya ngayon, iuwi namin siya, alagaan ko para makapagpahinga ka. Kasi wala talaga siyang pahinga, wala pa siyang tulog. As in, makikita mo talaga sa itsura niya na talagang pagod siya. At wala siyang maayos na tulog. So, ako naman ngayon ang wala maayos na tulog. O, diba? Galing ko, no? Sarap ng baby. Oo. Sarap ng baby. So, ayun. So, tapos, pero alam niyo yung pinaka nakakaano doon is pumayag siya na iuwi namin tong batan to. As in, like, pumayag talaga siya na iuwi namin. Pero, alam niyo yung like, first baby mo, diba? Tapos, papayag ka na mawala yung anak mo sa'yo ng ganyong katagal. Tapos, ang nalaman ko kanina umaga, dapat kukunin siya Friday. Ngayon nalaman ko kaganin umaga na kukunin siya Saturday na. O, diba? Kinuha namin siya ng Wednesday ng gabi. Or hapon, ganon. Wednesday ng hapon namin siya kinuha. O, diba? Ilang araw, ilang gabi yun na hindi mo kasama yung anak mo na hindi mo nakikita. Alam mo yun? Tapos first baby mo pa. Nakakasad lang kasi talaga pumayag siya na iuwi namin yung bata. Okay naman sa akin na alagaan ko siya. Wala namang problema. Kasi ang cute-cute niya talaga. Sarap ano Ang cute-cute niya talaga. Ang sarap niya. So yan, kaya wala akong maayos na vlog guys. Kasi nag-aalaga akong bata. Tapos wala rin akong maayos sa tulog. Kasi talagang dito kami sa sala kasi wala kami space na lalagyan yung yung bed niya. So dito kaming dalawa sa sala. So dito ako naka sa aking reclining chair. Dito ako natutulog. Siya naman dun sa kanyang bassinet. Pero most of the time dito siya sa aking dibdib na tutulog. So ilalapag ko muna to para magawa ko yung aking elf on the shelf. Yung feeling ko para ako ulit ng anak eh. Dahil nag-aalaga ako ng baby. Sarap niya. 2 weeks old pa lang to guys. 2 weeks old. Pero anyways, bababa ko muna to para maayos para yung yung elf. Guys, ayun ang snow namin. Oh my gosh, ang daming snow. Oh my gosh, umuulan pa. Ay. Ang lamig na niyan. Lamig. So, bukas guys is 2-hour delay. So, bukas pa natin malalaman kung may school yung mga kids tomorrow or not. Kasi sobrang dami ng snow. Ngayon pa lang, ang dami na ng snow. So, ano pa kaya bukas ng umaga. So, yeah. So, pakita ko na sa inyo ang ating pinakamadali na easy na elf on the shelf. Sana lang hindi mahulog. So, ayan sila nakahang sila sa tape lang yung nilagay ko dyan. So, hopefully hindi mahulog. Hindi sila mahulog. So, hinang ko lang. Nakaganyan lang. Yan. Pinaka-easy. Pero pag nahulog naman sila, may backup naman ako na na naisip na gawin. Kasi, paano to? Kasi hindi pa naman, late naman sila natutulog, ay nagigising. So, yeah. So, patayin ko na itong Christmas tree natin para, ayan. Kasi papatayin ko rin yung ilaw para mas siya na makatulog siya na maayos. Pero maya-maya yan mag-aasta na naman ng gatas yan. Tignan mo. Kaya, but anyway, so yun yung ating easy elf on the shelf. So, talagang hoping lang na hindi mahulog. But anyways, so iyan ko na ang vlog. And try kong matulog habang nandiyan sa kanyang So, ayan. Nakatulog naman ako kaganina, but kasi natulog talaga ako. Pinatulog ako ni Daddy kaganina. So, kaya medyo okay ako ngayon. Hindi ako inaantok or anything. Pero, try ko pa rin matulog para meron tayong energy. Mamayang paggising natin ng mga 5 o'clock, ganun. Kasi, hindi natin alam kung may school bukas or wala. But, kung may school man tomorrow, si mother-in-law ang magdadala sa kanila sa school kasi yung sasakyan ko is hindi siya pang snow. So, yeah. Yung van ko is hindi siya pang snow. So, wala siyang yung 4-wheeler drive na tinatawag dito. So, but anyways, we'll see tomorrow kung ano yung ng school. But for now, 2-hour delay sila. So, yeah. But anyways, good night guys. Salamat sa panonood and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Good night.
Put a brick in front of it.
Say good morning, Sissy. Good
I'm
morning.
gonna put a brick in front of it.
Ooh, say happy Saturday.
Happy Saturday!
Okay, sit down.
Hey, Mom.
We're still, yeah.
Today's December the 6th, right?
I
Yeah.
see deers out
Tomorrow's
there.
December 7th.
Uh-huh.
I see deer out there. Mommy, I see deer out
I don't know, guys, if you guys can see it, but there's a deer in there.
I don't see it. Oh wait, it kind of looks like a man.
Right there.
Oh wait, no, it is. It's a deer.
Right there.
Mom, I'm Polo.
Okay.
It just looks like a man's vest is right behind him.
I'm for two.
Yeah, we got plenty of snow, guys. Plenty of snow today. Bless you. Ay, bless you.
you.
So, ito yung ating today, guys. Sa ating elf today. So, our elf did, where's the letter?
They did 6
Oh, here it is. It says, Bra. Today is December 6. Tomorrow is December 7. 6, 7. Adik na adik.
Buddy.
Sa 6, 7.
Smile.
Adik na adik sa 6, 7. Oh, sinong mga anak nyo dyan na ang hindi adik dito sa 6, 7 na ito? Nakakairita. Ayan, itong batan to, nandito pa rin sa atin. No. Pero uuwi na siya today. Pipick upin na siya ng kanyang mother. Huh? No. He has a throw up, so...
Wait, he threw up?
Yeah, he threw up, so I gotta clean him. Change his diaper and change his clothes. Ayan, open their advent. What did you get, Troy?
I opened it.
What is that? What's that?
A present.
You got a present.
Right here.
Where's
I
yours?
got it out. I got it out by myself.
Yeah.
Greedy.
You got present? Tomorrow for 7.
What cardboard?
Okay, throw it in the
So
trash.
I would have told you, why would you eat why eat cardboard when you can eat and drink cardboard
You can take it out. It's okay.
juice?
I actually took out the.
Oh, God. Okay, throw that in the trash. Here. What are you guys doing?
Mom,